Honor just dropped the Magic 8 Pro, and trust me, this phone is a serious flagship killer that could shake up the market. Let's see what makes it so special. First, the design. Premium glass and metal with a futuristic curved screen. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display has 2K resolution and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Bezels? Almost non-existent. This thing looks stunning. Inside, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with up to 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte storage. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the Magic 8 Pro handles it like a beast. Now, the cameras. This is where Honor flexes hard. You get a 200 megapixel main camera, a periscope telephoto with 100x zoom, plus an ultra-wide for those wide shots. Selfie lovers, there's a sharp 50 megapixel front camera, perfect for content creators. Battery life is solid too. A 5500 milliamp battery with 120 watt fast charging and wireless charging support. You're basically going from 0 to 100 in minutes. So, with killer cameras, insane performance, and a gorgeous display, the Honor Magic 8 Pro is aiming straight at Samsung and Apple.